Hi, my name is Dr. Aditya Murli, and I am a consultant medical and hemato-oncologist at Aster Group of Hospitals in Bangalore. Over the next few minutes, I would be talking about the warning signs of oral cancer. Oral or head and neck cancer is one of the commonest cancers in India, and the characteristic of this type of a cancer is that it is one of those which can be picked up at an early stage if the patient is aware of the warning signs, and an early diagnosis means a more effective treatment and a long term cure. So, what are the warning signs of oral or head and neck cancer? One of the commonest warning signs of oral or head and neck cancer is an ulcer which does not go away. So, a non healing ulcer which persists for more than 2 to 3 weeks, which does not go away with local remedies, is something which needs to be looked at by the specialist and evaluated for a cancerous growth. Associated sign of this is that if there is any kind of a bleeding from this ulcerous site, or if it is associated with pain in the neck region, or pain on one side of the ear, or pain while swallowing, that is again an associated sign of warning sign of oral cancer. The next warning sign of oral cancer is if there is any growth on any part of the tongue which is causing a difficulty in chewing, in swallowing, in talking. All of this also makes the lesion suspicious for cancer. The third common sign of oral cancer is if patient has had a change in voice, or if there is a hoarseness of voice which again persists beyond 2 to 3 weeks and does not go away with local remedies. It has to be evaluated for the possibility of cancer. The fourth warning sign of oral cancer is if there is a lump somewhere in the neck. Now, the difference between a cancerous lump in the neck and an infective lump in the neck is that in cases of an infection, the lump grows in size very quickly over a matter of days. It is associated with redness or pain, and once antibiotics are started, it disappears immediately. However, a cancerous lump in the neck grows slower over a period of weeks to months, and it does not resolve with local antibiotics. And that also has to be evaluated for a possible cancer. The less common signs of oral cancer include if there is a restriction in the opening of the mouth, or a restriction in the movement of the tongue, or if somebody has got pain while swallowing, or if for some unknown reason there is a bleeding from any part of the mouth area during chewing, spitting, or swallowing. All of these need to be evaluated for oral cancer. This is very important because if we are aware of the warning signs, we are able to diagnose oral cancer at an early stage. And the most important take home message is oral early stage oral cancer is treatable and incurable and curable in many cases. Thank you.